I'm about to show you guys how you can print shirts like this for stuff that you can get practically at your local grocery store. Let's go. This video is brought to you by Design Crowd. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, t-shirthelpdesk.com, where we cover everything t-shirt related. Make sure that you go down and you subscribe and click that notification bell. So, guys, I've heard it time and time again. You guys want to know how you can print t-shirts at home for cheap. Well, today I'm going to show you another technique, all right? And this is a form of discharge printing. In case you didn't know, discharge printing is in a lot of fancy higher end prints because it has virtually no hand feel, okay? And you can get some really cool colors. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this at home, all right? So let me show you what you're gonna need.
All right, first thing you're gonna need is some bleach and some hydrogen peroxide. That's to stop the bleaching process. And then you're gonna need a mask for those bleach fumes, okay? And spray bottles. I prefer these little spray bottles. When you're gonna put bleach, when you're gonna put peroxide. And you're gonna need tie-dye, all right? This is what's gonna give the color, all right? You're gonna need some gloves. I got my big red ones right here. And you're definitely gonna need some freezer paper, not parchment paper, freezer paper. An X-Acto blade or a box cutter. All right, your artwork, gotta have your artwork, and iron. Some t-shirt blanks, and of course we use Bella canvas tees, all right? Best blanks for the best price. And a piece of cardboard. And guys, no worries, there's a list where you can get everything down in the description box.
All right, guys, now that you know everything you're gonna need, let's go into the lab and let's make some magic happen.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is lay your artwork out and put your freezer paper on top of it. All right, tape your artwork down. You want to make sure that your freezer paper, the shiny side is down and the regular matte side is up. You want to tape that down, and then you want to start tracing with a pencil, all right? Now, our artwork is green and red, so we're going to break this up. I'm going to do the in the grass, and then the snakes, and then the red cobra, all right? So after we sketch, then we take our X-Acto blade and we just cut these parts out, okay? And we do this for all three. This is for the word snakes, and then we do the in the grass, and then we do the cobra. So we lay out the artwork, tape it down, put the freezer paper on top, trace with the pencil, and then cut that bad boy out. Simple as that. Now, once you have them all cut out, you're gonna have something that looks like this, because you don't want to cut them all out. You want to score them and then take them all out once you put them on top of the t-shirt. Let's get into that. All right, so you're gonna take your cardboard and put that inside the t-shirt. That's because you don't want the bleach to go seep through to the other side. So now you want to put your freezer paper that you cut the stencil out on top of your t-shirt, all right, and take all of those little pieces out. And now you're gonna iron it down, making sure that the shiny part is down, because that is what is going to stick to your t-shirt but not leave any residue, and it's going to create a dollar store version of a silk screen. And then after that, we're gonna take some more freezer paper and then go around the edges, because we don't want any of that bleach to splash on our t-shirt, okay? So let's just go around these edges. So now we're going to get our tie-dye together, okay? We're going to do red and green tie-dye. I'm simply going to fill these bottles up with water, all right? The red and the green, all right? Then we're going to shake them up, and then I'm going to put these in these two small spray bottles. And now we're going to start bleaching. We're going to spray the bleach right on top. And to help that bleach even more, we're going to iron it, okay? We're going to put the iron down. Ironing helps make the color even lighter, quicker, but this is why you want to use a mask, because you could get some really toxic fumes. And you want to go back and forth with your bleach and your iron for maybe 10 or 15 minutes, or until you get it to a nice lighter shade. And then to stop the bleaching process, we're going to spray the hydrogen peroxide, okay? And now we spray our green tie-dye. This is the discharge process. This is where we add color in that we just removed with the bleach. Then we towel that off and we pull it off, and look at what we have here. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other colors and the snakes.
All right, hold on guys. I just want to let you guys know that not only is printing really important to having a t-shirt business, you need great designs. A really great place, go down in the description box and go to designcrowd.com. They have people from all over the globe just waiting to design your t-shirts. But let's get back to the video.
So now we're going to get everything lined up so we can put the snake's word and the cobra in the middle. All right, and once we know where everything's going to go, we do the same process again. Okay, so now we put everything down. We iron everything down. We cover up all our edges, and then we spray bleach. We get it nice and light. Then we spray our peroxide, and then we spray our tie-dye. We spray that all over, all right? Get it all up in there, and then we pull it off. Yep, you pull it all off, and look at what you get. Smooth, no hand feel. Let me rock this for you. Okay, check that out. All right, yeah, baby. Let's go.
Now, how you like them apples? Homemade t-shirts that look awesome, no hand feel. I mean, this is a great way to get your feet wet and get into the t-shirt industry. And if you do one, guys, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram, T-Shirt Help Desk. All right, go out and make something happen. Cheers to your t-shirts. I'm finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. Until next time, peace. Shirt man, yeah, that's me.